Welcome. In this video, I'll talk about for versus while in details. Let's start. For loop. You should use the for loop when the number of iterations is known. The loop iterates over the elements of a collection. The loop iterates over a range of values, which is known as in advance at execution time. Remember, we will use loop when we already know the number of iterations. Okay. The while loop. The while statement simply loops until a condition is false. There must be a condition at first. The while will loop until this condition is being false. The while loop is the more general one because it loops condition is more flexible and can be more complicated than that of a for. The while loop can take every Boolean expression as a condition. Okay, let's see this example. I'll get a pen here. In this example, I said a equal to 0, b equal to 0. Then I said while a less than 4, I'll increase a by 1. Then I'll set b to 0. Then there is a nested loop here. While b less than 4, I'll increase b by 1. Then I'll print a and b. This output a will be like this, will be stable for 4 values, but b will be increase 1, 2, 3, 4. Then this will increase 1 here, and this will increase 1, 2, 3, 4 times. This will increase 1 time here, and this will increase 4 times, and so on. Let's try this in our Python shell. I'll type a equal to 0, b equal to 0. Then I'll type while a less than 4, a equal to a plus 1, b equal to 0. Then the nested while b أقل من 4, b equal to b plus 1. Then we will print a and b. Save this. Let's run our code by here, run module or F5. So we can see here the numbers as I said before. This 1, 1, 1, 1. This is the value of a, and this is the value of b. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then the value of a 2. The value of b 1, 2, 3, 4. The value of a 3. The value of b 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on. Here, this while here will work only if there is a condition here equal to. If there is a condition here a less than 4. This is condition must be no first the while is going to work. Okay, like this here, b less than 4. b less than 4. Let's see another example, but for 4. The same example here, but using for, not while. I said for a in range 1 and 5. The for iterates the values between 1 and 5. For b in range 1 and 5. The for here iterates over values from 1 and 5. I'll print a and b. Let's try this on our shell. I'll comment this using triple quote. In here, I'll move down here. I'll type here for a in range 1 and 5. For b in range 1 and 5. Print a and b. Let's save. Let's run the same output here. 1, 1, 1. The value of a, and the value of b 1, 2, 3, 4. The value of a 2, 2, 2, 2, and the value of b 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on. Here, the for here iterates the values from 1 and 5. When this value, the range of values ended, the for will stop but in while the while still working if the condition is true, but if the condition became false, the while will exit loop. Okay, in the next video we are going to start talking about control statement in details, break statement, continue statement, pass statement with examples in while and for. Hope you like this video and see you next one.